I'm sick of the world machine. Need to get my spirit clean. Gotta be brave if I wanna be free. Get the water from the roots like a big old tree. Just listen up. We start today. Start looking at the trees of green. Forgot about my TV.
Hi, I'm Miles from Wild Furrow, and we are supplying all the oat milk and hot beverages at Shambala this year. So for Shambala, we're going to produce 3,500 litres, which is definitely a record for us in a week, so we're really pleased with that. So from a sustainability perspective, we're 5 miles down the road from the festival, and the crops are grown right here. We're arable farmers, and oats themselves are a really good break crop. They're a really sustainable crop. So we pour in the oats up here. We're putting them into a big vat of water, stirring around. As they heat up, they sort of stew and they break down, and then we have to sieve out all the oats, and what's left is a sort of fine water and oat mix that starts at the base of all the flavour. We've been adapting our recipe and we've been going from there. The last 9 months have been quite a scale-up operation with a peak at Shambala.
Come along and make a change today.